World Premiere opened. And let's have a look inside, because there's a little change in our list, Budget to Bougie. There's a new one that's getting in between. Let's find out which one it is.
Through magic and beyond.
I am so sorry, but I made a little mistake in my list. The coffee grinder is actually the very first one with the cheapest items, but because I put it on closed, it went at the bottom of my list. And I didn't do that with the one that I put first, the ice cream specialty. So, just to sum up, if this would open, we would have a muffin for €4, which is half a euro cheaper than the Mickey beignet or the Mickey ice cream. And the cheapest one would be a cookie for €2.80. So hopefully one day this will be open and we can try it out.
Oh, wow. Okay, in the top right corner there you can spot Mickey, and on the left side there's Pinocchio. And if you go one down to the right, there you can see the Pixar lamp. Let's have a look at the other side.
Yeah.
Do you see another one?
Yes.
Where? Oh, I don't see it. What do you see?
Mickey with Walt.
Mickey with Walt? First we thought it was Bing Bong from Inside Out, but having a second look, I think it's Hippo from Fantasia that dances around in a tutu. And then we spotted Dumbo, and in the top right corner, our niece that is with us today, she spotted Bullseye. If you spot some other ones, let us know in the comments, please. So this is the fourth one on our list. It's called Searchlight, and I thought it was only gonna be filled donuts. There are quite a few. We didn't take all of them. We just took two and one cookie, because there was also a Groot cookie. And our niece is here with us today, and she really wanted to try that cookie, so we're gonna try it. Very nice people there. Thomas and Bintu. They were really nice to us. And they also put it in boxes for us, so you can ask to box it up. So if you can't finish them, you can take it home with you or to your hotel. So let's unpack everything. So this is the incredible one. This is filled with strawberry.
This is good. Filled with
Chocolate.
chocolate.
The chocolate one filled. And then we have the cookie. Also fruit.
Good. With the chocolates.
We'll start with this one. And it's not it's our list, budgets to Bougie, like you know, but there's not a cheapest one and an expensive one. It's all €4.50, everything.
And €8 for a sweet break.
Yes, you can save a bit of money if you also want to drink. Then it's €8 for a sweet break, and then you save 70 cents. I'll first break this one up. And then for us, the niece likes it.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah, it's a sweet cookie. A bit too sweet for my taste. Not
soft.
enough chocolate.
Soft.
Could be a bit more. Eh? Yeah, a bit more chocolate.
It's soft chocolate.
Yeah, soft chocolate. You can have it. I don't like it. This is going to be so messy. I can just take a bite of it.
Yeah.
This is the one he chose with the strawberry. Usually I don't go for strawberry filled things. I like fresh strawberries, but usually when there's strawberry flavor added to it, I think it just tastes like candy. It smells like a donut.
It's strawberry jam.
Yeah, it's just strawberry jam. And it's not filled entirely through, just inserted in some holes here. So you're gonna have dots throughout it. I'm gonna take another bite just to get that strawberry. That strawberry jam is really nice. It's even a little bit sour, a little bit tangy. And I was afraid the donuts were going to be dry, but they're not. Oh, you have the dry part. But maybe there's a dot, so there will be some in the middle of it. So see, there's the strawberry. So you have some dry parts, but where the strawberry is, it's a lot of strawberry. And what do you think?
Not bad.
No, it's not bad at all. Me, not loving donuts at all, I would actually give this a 5.
Yeah.
For you? The strawberry on the upper lip.
Also 5.
Also 5.
For now.
4.5.
We are respecting our niece's wishes to not come on the camera, but she did like to give her points and her opinion about this. She really liked the incredible donuts with the strawberry, and she gave it 4.5 points.
Okay.
Because it's not
Totally filled.
totally filled.
Okay. And I will take a break to wipe your face. And? She also likes the strawberry one. We forgot to give points to the cookie. For me, the cookie is a 2. I wouldn't get it again.
2.5.
2.5?
3.
A 3?
Yeah.
3.5 or 3?
3.5.
3.5. Okay.
She also thought the cookie was a bit dry, but she also gave it a 3.5.
And so also this one is filled in dots. I can see on the bottom. So I'll try to go for a dot one. I am gonna take a piece of it because I really like it. It's like a chocolate pudding.
Chocolate mousse.
Yeah, it's really fluffy and light.
Yeah.
And the donuts are not dry. That's usually why I don't like donuts, because they're usually really dry.
Yes. Oh, very good.
They are very good. So if you like donuts, I think this is a hit.
I think it's our real American donuts.
Yeah, maybe. We never had real American donuts before, but for my taste, it's good.
Looking.
Points?
She really loved this one. Because the chocolate wasn't too heavy, she gave it a 5.
Also 4.5.
Also for me too. Also 4.5. Yeah. Very good.
To sum up, here is again the top of our list. But now with the real first location, the coffee grinder. Unfortunately, this one is also closed. For the moment. We'll come back to you when it opens. And then one jumped in between with the opening of Searchlight. There we could try some delicious donuts with a high score, and a fun-looking cookie with a lesser taste and a lesser score. As you know, there's a lot more to come. So stick around if you want to find out where to spend or skip your snack money.
When you're here, please visit the beautiful World Premiere. I think it's really well done. Maybe the upstairs in the new restaurant is a bit small, I think. But we'll test that out later. And bye for now.
Bye.